What's up, ladies and gents? Last year with another video. I got something good today. What I got here is the Steelseries Rival 600 gaming mouse. This mouse was originally released earlier this year in January 2018. Main reason why I got this, it has two optical sensors. One depth sensor, which essentially is just for liftoff, which I'll explain to that later on in the video. And the other sensor, the main one, the TrueMove 3, essentially it was engineered for true one-on-one tracking. Its main purpose is to experience incredible accurate movement where essentially there's no latency, no lag, no jitter reduction or anything like that. Another reason why I got it is because it has RGB lights. My former Logitech 402 mouse only lights up blue. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the gaming mouse. So let's go dive in and take a look at it. So the Rival 300 includes the new TrueMove 3 optical sensor. It comes with two sensors, right? So this one right here is originally the TrueMove 3 optical sensor. It was engineered for true one-on-one tracking. Its main purpose is to experience incredible, accurate crosshair placement for all movements, which helps with no latency, no tracking errors, no lag, and without jitter affection. Okay. The second sensor, the depth sensor, is considered the liftoff sensor, which provides next level precision.